Do you miss the good old days of shifting gears and feeling like a real gearhead? Who wants to live in a world where the only thing you have to shift is your Netflix account, am I right? Well, have no fear, because we found every single car in the market with a manual transmission in 2023. That's right, we're talking about cars that you can actually drive, not just sit back and let a computer do all the work. So grab your stick shift, brush up on your heel-toe technique, and get ready for a wild ride. It's time to take back the roads and remind everyone that true driving is not just about pressing a button. Number 10, 2023 Ford Bronco. Do you miss the good old days of manuals and feeling like a real off-road pro? Well, have no fear, because Ford has heard your pleas and brought back the 2023 Bronco with a 7-speed manual transmission that even includes a crawler gear for all your off-road adventures. That's right, now you can finally shift your way through the trails and show those automatic drivers who's boss. And the best part about all this? You can even choose between a 2-door and 4-door version, so you can pick the perfect ride for your next off-road excursion. So grab that stick shift, brush up on your off-roading technique, 10 and 2, and get ready for a wild ride, because the 2023 Ford Bronco is the ultimate off-roading machine with a manual transmission. Number 9, 2023 Lotus EMIRA. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to meet the newest member of the Lotus family, the Lotus EMIRA, the last of its kind, fully fueled by gasoline and ready to take to the streets with its manual transmission. This British beauty is a follow-up to the impressive Evora GT, and it's sure to turn heads in its mid-engine design. But don't let its looks fool you. Under the hood lies a 400 horsepower supercharged V6 that'll have you feeling like you're driving a street-legal race car. And with the option for a manual gearbox and limited slip differential, you'll be able to take full control of this bantamweight street fighter. So if you're looking for a car that'll make you feel like a true driving enthusiast, the Lotus might be the right one for you. Number 8, 2023 Nissan 400Z. Are you ready for a blast from the past? I'm talking about the newest addition from the Nissan family, the Nissan 400Z. This bad boy has been around for over 50 years, and it's been a favorite among gearheads for its performance and manual transmission option. And guess what? The tradition continues with the newest Z. With sleek styling, a twin-turbocharged V6 engine, and a 6-speed manual transmission of pure glory, you'll be able to go from 0 to 60 in the blink of an eye. But be careful, this kind of power just might become the talk of the town. So if you're ready to live the good old days of manual transmissions and speed, Nissan Z is the car for you. Number 7, 2023 ACURA INTEGRA. The ACURA INTEGRA is back, and it's bringing the heat. This bad boy is packing a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that's got more energy than a room full of Red Bull chugging college students. And the cherry on top for you? A 6-speed manual transmission that's so smooth and precise you'll feel like a pro race car driver. Just don't forget the rev match to your friends, or they might start calling you Granny Shifter. 2023 Toyota Supra, number 6. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your butts, because the Supra is back, and this time it's bringing a 6-speed manual gearbox that's sure to make your grandma's knitting needles fly. That's right, the BMW and Toyota love child has finally decided to give the people what they want. No more automatic transmissions for the Supra. It's time to get your hands dirty and shift like a real driver. And for those of you who are worried about the Supra losing its Japanese heritage, do not fret. It's gonna get that Japanese flair with just a hint of German engineering thrown in for a good measure, so get ready to rev and shift your way to glory with the 2023 Supra. I'm looking forward to it. Number 5, 2023 Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. Step right up, folks, and feast your eyes on the old CT5V Blackwing. It's like the CT4V's bigger, cooler, older brother. It's got more room, more power, and a whole lot of V8 love and goodness. That's right, the 6.2-liter supercharged V8 packs a punch of 668 horsepower. And you know what's even better? You get to control all that power with your own 2 hands, thanks to the 6-speed manual transmission hiding down and underneath like a surprise for you. So if you're in the market for a gasoline-powered performance sedan and don't mind a little manual labor, CT5V Blackwing is the way to go. Number 4, looking forward to this one the most on the list. 2023 Jeep Gladiator. Introducing the Jeep Gladiator, the pickup that's ready to take over the world, or at least your backyard, with its powerful 3.6-liter V6 engine and trusty 6-speed manual transmission. Whether you're hauling hay bales or hauling your buddies to the beach, this baby's got you covered. And with its part-time four-wheel drive system and a low-range transfer case, you'll be the king of the dirt roads. So grab that stick shift and let's get to work or play or whatever it is that you do with your manual pickup truck. Number 3, 2023 Hyundai ELANTRA N. Say goodbye to boring automatic-only cars and hello to the 2023 Hyundai ELANTRA N, the lone survivor in the manual transmission war. With its 6-speed manual stick shift and rev-matching technology, you'll feel like a race car driver on the streets. And let's not forget about the powerful 2-liter turbocharged engine that'll make the most of the mundane commute and make it feel like more of an adrenaline rush of a drive. Plus, with a spacious interior and sporty upgrades, the ELANTRA N is the ultimate all-in-one package for the manual transmission enthusiasts out there, so buckle up and get ready for some serious stick shift and fun. Number 2, almost number 1, 2023 Toyota Corolla GR. The Toyota Corolla, a car known for being as exciting as a bowl of oatmeal, has finally gotten a little spice of its own in its life with the GR Corolla. This saucy little number is only available with 6-speed manual transmission, making it the perfect car for those who like to still shift their gears. With its short throw shifter and moderate tune clutch, the GR Corolla is sure to keep drivers engaged and their hands busy. And with 300 horsepower coming from its compact yet powerful turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, this all-wheel drive hot hatch is sure to turn some heads. Reimagined by the wild ones at Gazoo Racing, the GR Corolla is finally living up to its sporty name. Number 1, ready? 2023 Subaru CROSSTREK. The all-new CROSSTREK is like a mini adventure machine on wheels though. Based on the wacky Impreza, it's got more personality than a clown at a kid's birthday party. Everybody's late. If you want to feel like you're actually driving instead of just steering, you gotta go for the base or premium models because the sport, limited, and hybrid models are just too fancy for manual transmissions. Power comes from a tiny but mighty 2-liter engine that makes 152 horsepower and sits 8.7 inches above the ground, which is more clearance than the Impreza. So it's perfect for those who like to hike, bike, kayak, ski, or drive through mud, on rocky roads, or in especially bad weather. So there you have it, folks. All the cars in 2023 that still believe in the lost art of stick shifting. Now you know what cars to look for on your next purchase. Unless you're bad at it, then just stick to your automatic. Because let's face it, no one wants to see a car roll backwards on a hill start. Thanks for watching, and happy gear grinding.